Open up your CAPCUT, select new project, tap on stock videos and pick any background that you want. For me, I'm using the black background. Now tap on text and write in your text. Select font, choose any font you want. Select style, increase the scale of your text, change your text color. Now scroll to your right and tap on lasting text to expand your text to the end of your video. Now start adding keyframe. Tap on keyframe, change your font color. Now you will now click on glow and select the glow effect. You increase the intensity. Now you now increase the range, how wide you want it to be. That's what you will be doing. At every point of keyframe, change your color, your text color, and change your glow effect at every keyframe. So just repeat that till the end of your text or till the end of this effect as you are seeing it on your screen. As you are adding your keyframe, change your font color and change the glow of your font. That is just what I'm doing. Add keyframe, tap on style, change your font color, tap on glow, change your glow effect. That's just what I'm doing. Just change the colors to balance with the text color and your glow effect to be the same. I'm just going to forward the video from here so that we can move on to the next thing. At the end of all your keyframes, your video should look like this. The next thing we are going to do is to add animation. So select animation and select on this donut. That's the 3D animation we'll be using. Now select on effect, video effect, and add that Blu-ray screening. Adjust it to the end of your clip. So you should have something like this at the end of your video. And once you are done, export your video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.